Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome to my Project Pan update for the month of February and March. I did not do my February update because I am currently pregnant and I've been dealing with morning sickness, so about the last half of February to the first half of March I was just not feeling good. I wasn't wearing makeup. I kind of put YouTube and social media and filming on hold just so I can kind of get through that rough patch. I am feeling a little bit better now, so the progress, it's not going to be as much as probably more months would be, but we're here, and it's actually a pretty exciting update because I do have my first rollout. So let's just get right into it, starting with my Molly eyeshadow stick. For the last 2 months, I did combine uses, and I used it a total of 6 times. This year, the progress is not going to be as much as I would like it to be. I would have liked to use it more, but I am also doing an eyeshadow project pan. So this is just kind of gotten to the wayside a little bit. This is definitely going to be my problem product this year. My goal is still to finish it. Probably just use it as much as I can till the end of the year and then just roll it out. But I would like to finish this. It is an older product in my collection, so before it expires, I do want to get as much use out of it as I can. But, I would like to use it more, but I'm not overly mad at it. And then we've got my CoverGirl Skin Milk. My goal is to use it 50 times. These last 2 months, I used it a total of 17 times, which is not bad. I think I wore it most days I wore makeup because it is just a nice lightweight product. But that brings me down to 29 uses left, and then I can roll it out. So I'm assuming another 3 to 4 months of use on this, which is not too bad. The progress line, it's not that big of a gap. I think it's just because there's a lot of product in here. It's a very watery and thin consistency, so I don't need a lot at one time, but I'm enjoying using it. But again, another 3 to 4 months and I will roll this out. And then we've got the Empty I Have, which I am excited for. I have been using this product since about this time last year. I actually finished this at the beginning of February, so this could have been in the last update, but because I combined them, I just decided to put it in this update and then roll in a new item as well in this update. But that is my Benefit Concealer, and I used this a total of 11 times from my last update to finishing it, which means that I used this a total of 21 times this year and a total of 108 uses from the time I put this in my project to now. So I am excited. Stay tuned to the end because I will show you what I will be rolling in its place. The next item I have is also another item from last year, and that is my Colourpop Super Shock Blush. And the last 2 months I used it 13 times, which I'm not mad at. I'm probably gonna leave this in for most of the year. After this year though, considering it's still safe, I do plan on rolling it out, but I'm enjoying using it. I'm not mad at it. The progress is slow, but the progress is there. So 13 times this month. I would like to use it more, but that's okay. And then the next item we have is the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow. I am panning the diamond side, which is the progress is steady. I used this a total of 13 times also in the last 2 months, so not as much as I used it the month before. Well, actually the last time I used it was 15 times, but that was 15 times in 1 month. This is 13 times in 2 months. I anticipate me finishing this probably around the halfway mark of the year, like late summer, early fall at this point, which is not too bad. It is crumbly, so I think there's a lot of progress is coming because of the crumbliness of the product itself, but that's okay. I'm gonna get as much use out of it as I can. So I'm not too mad at it. Again, technically wearing, I'm looking at these numbers thinking, why don't I have 2 months worth of use out of it, which my goal is approximately 10 times each month, but that's because I didn't wear makeup for half the time. So it is technically like 1 month's worth of use. And we've got the Becca Lip Liner. I used this a total of 10 times the last 2 months. I feel like the progress is pretty good. This again will probably be a late summer, early fall product that I get finished, but I am looking forward to using it and I enjoy wearing it. It's kind of just my go-to like lip liner and lip color, and I do count it as 2 uses if I wear it as a lip liner and a lipstick for the day, because I don't always do that, so that to me is 2 separate uses, so I'm not mad at it. And then finally I've got the e.l.f. lip gloss, which I used it a total of 9 times. I lost the little paper that I used to mark it, so I don't think my markings are accurate, especially like the lighting, I couldn't quite see it. I anticipate this will be done late spring, early summer. So I used it till 9 times. I am right there at the end, and I'm noticing that as I'm trying to get product out, it's not coming on as much. I'm assuming in the next, maybe the next update or the update after that, I will have to take the stopper out and use it, but I do want to finish this up, and I feel like I could finish this sooner rather than later. And now for my roll-in. This is an item that's been in my collection for a while. I would like to use it up, and I'm not far off from being done, and that is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I want to finish this up. I feel like I can realistically finish this up by the end of summer. I feel like the progress isn't too bad. The product's not settling, so I don't know how accurate the marking is, but this seems to be where the majority of the product did settle. So I'm looking forward to using it. I think it'll be done. I know this is getting close to expiring, so if it does expire before I get to use it, I'm just going to roll it out. But at this point, I think it's still fine. I used it not too long ago, but I am excited to be rolling this in. And with that, that is everything in my project pan. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new here, hi, my name is Machaela. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I am currently pregnant, so for this season of life, I am doing pregnancy content as well. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. If that's not what you're into, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you. My goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And I wouldn't be where I am without him, so I want to share that with you guys. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.